What's up guys, this is Mohammed, and in this video we're taking a look at a very unique light, the Godox FV200. Now, 4 or 5 years ago when I was in Iran and I was starting out my first studio, I was looking for a set of lights that would double as LED constant light for videography and have flash capabilities for photography as well. Now, of course, back then no such light existed, so I had to clutter up my studio space with separate kits for videography and photography. And that is the basic premise of the FV200 and the FV150 from Godox, to have a hybrid light that serves both as a video light and flash for photography. It is a pioneer in that regard, so just how well does it perform? And for reference, one of them is lighting me right now. Let's start with the video light aspect of it first. It is a 200 watt 5600 Kelvin light, and it is indeed very bright. It is rated at 96 plus CRI, and it is very accurate. The skin tones look really good with it. Godox lights are infamous for having very loud and noisy fans, and since this light pulls double duty, it does indeed get very hot. And when it does get hot, the fans do kick in, but they're not super loud. Unless you have a light very close to you, your mic would probably not pick it up. What I really like about this set is that you can adjust the strength of the light all the way from 1% to 100%. So it doesn't start off at 10% like some other LED lights. So you have more fine-tuned control over how much light you want on the scene. Onto the flash photography side of things, and this light is not as bright as some dedicated photo flashlights out there. Those are the side effects you have when you have two systems in one. There's gotta be a compromise somewhere, but it is still bright enough for most types of photography. So how this light works is that you have one set of LEDs that actually boost for a very short time, and that is what gives you the flash part of the deal. So physically, it just cannot get as bright as flashlights. On the positive side of things, the quality of the light is still excellent, and it does have HSS support, high shutter speed, through the Godox trigger. So jack of all trades, master of none. But for the FV200, I would say it's master of one, as you get an excellent LED light for videography, and as added benefits, you also have flash capabilities for photography, which are not top of the class, but still pretty good. Overall, this is exactly the type of light I would have wanted for my studio way back then, but I'm so glad that it exists now. And I'm very excited to see how Godox will improve on this with the next generation. So that's it for this quick look, guys. I hope you liked it and found it informative. Please leave a like on this video, let us know what you think in the comments, go back and watch all my other videos, and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.